karya kamu dinyatakan lulus, kemudian nilai skripsi kamu juga bagus, nilainya
mogok guys. Kudu menang jelogan kieu teh ya. Oke ya. Ya, kasus guys. Ketujuh roh, siapa yang tahu anak si Wisnu. Malam-malam di tas kayak bocil SMA. No. Oh. Anjing, bro. Tega anjing. Fotokopiannya penuh guys. Kita cari fotokopian lain yang lebih sepi. Emang nanti lu si pembimbing mah temen tak. Kampus dia seumur hidup.
Itu landscape kan?
Iya. YouTube landscape. Selesai, let's go home. Goblok. Yes, let's go. It cannot be called a night without a nasi goreng. Dari Athens Olympic nasi goreng was a comfort food, but not this one. Beda, cuman ya yang dulu yang nasi goreng yang biasa gue beli orangnya udah die, so let's try this one. I hope tomorrow gonna be a good day. I hope tomorrow apa ya? I hope tomorrow will not be a complicated day. I hope tomorrow will be my day. It has to be my day. It has to be. You know what I'm saying? So I already home. I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna sleep. See you tomorrow. Today is the day. Last dance, last push. Today is the day of sidang skripsi. So yeah, finally the day has been arrived. Ini hari dimana gue melakukan sidang skripsi. I want to big shout out to everyone that helped me, yang ngebantu buat sampai gue selesai gitu. A lot of people, especially big shout out to kelas PA 4601 yang always there for me, always support me. Ya, big shout out juga buat Arik, buat Azahra for helping me getting this done. Azahra is my friend, okay? You need to underline that. And of course, dosen-dosen yang selama di Telkom ngebantu. Also want a big shout out buat Rehan Afzal, buat Miftah Mutakin, and also all the people on the 01 that helped me so much. Yeah, big shout out for them. And also, yeah, this is the day. This is the last university task that I'm gonna do. Ini tugas terakhir kampus yang mungkin akan gue selesaikan dan gue lakuin. And yeah, after this, time for the real world. Saatnya di dunia nyata. Ya, siapapun yang maybe kenal gue di kampus ini, atau mungkin yang tahu gue, and I'm a big shout out also for you guys. Even though kita gak deket-deket banget, at least we appreciate it gitu. See you after sidang. Waiting for the results. Di dosen-dosennya lagi diskusi. Let's see.
Arya, kamu dinyatakan lulus. Kemudian nilai skripsi kamu juga bagus. Nilainya mana tadinya? Nilai penyusunan skripsi kamu itu 85,28. Dinyatakan dengan bentuk A robotnya. Ya, mau protes?
Tidak Pak, sama sekali tidak.
Ya selamat ya. Jurusannya.
Saya teh dari SMP teh dipotong rambut.
Allah sudah.
Ini mau potong gini aja.
Bukan gunting rambut.
Pakai ini.
Ih, kok mengerikan sih Anda nih?
Karena pentingnya
Kalau saya?
Iya, harus bawa.
Ada lebih nggak?
Udah saya kali ya.
Nah, itu mau potongan rambut segimana?
Gini aja.
Segitu?
Iya.
Nggak, saya cek dulu. Bentar.
Jadi kamu umroh wae atuh teh.
Oh, bentar lagi umroh ya.
Tanggal lu.
Nah, ini aja lah kelihatan. Kedua juga bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sip. Oh.
Itu rame banget tuh, Sil. Iya. Solid bos. Mana?
Oh iya di bawah.
Gigi kelas. Wah, ya. Wah, ya. Ya. Let's go. Ikom bro.
Kerjain skripsi.
Anjir.
Ayo mari kita foto. Mari kita foto.
Mari kita foto.
01.
Eat after this one. Yeah, this video is about journey to skripsi until the skripsi day. Gua dapat jadwalnya itu H-2 sebelum sidang dilaksanakan. Today is 13 July 2026, yaitu hari Senin. Ya, thank God I'm graduate from college. Ya, well, inti dari video ini adalah an appreciation video for all the people that in my journey on college. My classmates, PL4601, big shout out to you. Ya, thank you so much buat PL4601, thank you so much buat journey-nya, thank you so much for making me feels like home. Thank you juga udah nerima gue apa adanya. Buat semua orang di 4601, if you guys watch this, thank you so much. It has to be more stories selama gue ngampus, but I'm really sorry that I cannot nge-push diri gue untuk hal itu karena satu dan lain hal. Ya, this is the end. Udah the end aja gitu. But of course, this is not the end of being a friend, right? This is not the end of being like a brother, sisters, a family. This is not the end for it. Ini awalan, mungkin bakal jadi awalan yang baru buat kalian. Of course buat gue juga, buat Pel, buat Lucy Pel. Yeah, well, thank you so much guys for being my friend. Thank you so much udah nganggap gue ada. Thank you so much buat appreciation. Thank you so much buat selama ini. Thank you so much buat apapun itu yang udah kalian lakuin ke gue. And also, rest in peace buat saudara gue, buat teman kita semua. Rest in peace buat Emil. Ya, semoga Emil istirahat yang tenang di sana. Semoga Emil diterima amal ibadahnya. Karena seperti kita semua tahu, Emil itu orang baik. Emil itu sangat amat baik. Dia tuh ya lucu juga. Ya pokoknya Emil baik. Banyak pahalanya lah buat Emil. Semoga ditempatkan di tempat terbaik di sisinya. I want to shout out to all the people that I know in this university, of course. PA01 is a big part. It's have a big space gitu di pikiran gua, di memories gua. But also there are peoples that also mean so much for me. Of course, dosen Wali, Pak Asad, dosen pembimbing Pak Adit, dosen lainnya, like big shout out to Mr. Dosen, Pak Amin, Pak Hadi, Pak Dama, and all dosen yang nggak bisa gue sebutin satu-satu. Semuanya mean so much buat gue. Kuliah di kampus, they are really help me so much. They are really like supporting me. Thank you to all my dosen. You guys mean so much in my life. Actually, kenapa gue sangat begitu ngerasa feeling really emotional about kampus ini? Karena selama kehidupan di kampus ini gue melewati banyak hal yang bikin gue nge-push diri gue sendiri. Gue belajar bawa mobil. Well, make sense lah, kita belajar bawa mobil itu sesudah kita punya SIM. Harusnya belajar membawa mobil ke kampus dengan di jalanan ramai sendirian, bagi gue sendiri itu sebuah hal yang cukup berani bagi gue, karena di saat itu gue udah bisa bawa mobil, cuman gue masih belum percaya diri untuk bawa ke jalanan besar, apalagi ke kampus, karena ya cukup jauh lah dari rumah kampus. Di hari itu gue tuh ada kelas Pak Dama, big shout out to him. It was kind of the first day I met him. It's not the first day, second day, or I forgot, but it was his class. He told me that kalau lu masih di tempat yang sama, lu gak akan bisa maju. Itu kata-katanya, sesimpel itu. In that case adalah karena pokoknya kata-kata sesimpel itu pas-pasan banget gue ada dorongan harus bawa mobil ke kampus. Karena satu dan lain hal ya, I cannot talk about it. Big shout out also buat Afzal. Zal, gimana kalau bawa mobil? At the time, terserah apa ya? I was thinking like, itu tuh gue masih ingat, itu tuh kelas jam 10 pagi. And then ada waktu senggang lah 3-4 jam, terus kita ada kelas lagi di jam 3, jam 4 gitu. Yaudah lah, gue pulang dulu ke rumah. Oke, I want to bring my own car ke kampus. Of course, tegang, deg-degan itu ada, but ingat-ingat terus gitu kata-katanya, kalau gue di tempat yang sama, gue gak akan bisa maju. Yeah, there was kinda like something that yang apa ya, yang bisa dibilang kayak nyadarin gue gitu, lu ini bisa loh, Pel. Lu ini bisa loh, Pel. And also, I have to say this, gue punya mantan di kampus di semester awal lah. I don't wanna say her name, but she's the one that also pushed me through untuk ngelewatin semua misalnya bukan ketakutan, apa yang selama ini selalu bikin gue nyaman. I'm never traveling alone, to be honest with you. At the time I was traveling alone from Bandung to Semarang, and that was my first time doing it, cause I don't know, blind by love gitu. Sekarang udah putus sih, udahlah gitu. Tapi ya itu harus gue akui, dia salah satu has a part in my life. She has a big part in my life. Also thank you juga buat really special shout out for my brother Rayhan Afzal. I don't know how to even say thank you to you. Afzal is really good guy. He is a brother to me. Afzal was my brother, man. I love him so much. He always be my side selama gue di kampus. He always be my side. He always help me. He always support me. And that's really and I hope that's already describe how good he is, how wonderful man he is, how incredible good he is. Big shout out also buat Miftah. You incredible man. Miftah is an incredible person. Miftah itu sangat amat baik sama kayak Afzal. And of course, big shout out juga buat keluarga. Keluarga is number one, man. I don't have to describe it. Family is number one. Also big shout out juga buat anak-anak PBO. Ya men, mereka nemenin gue dari gue kecil sampai sekarang. Big shout out to them also. What I'm gonna say in this video also is thank you. Thank you buat siapapun yang kenal gue. Thank you siapapun yang udah menganggap gue di kampus ini. Thank you buat siapapun yang maybe you guys think dia lebay atau apa. I don't care about what you think about me. I don't care anything else. I just care that I want to say thank you to you guys. Like, I cannot say your name one by one. I cannot say how good you are, how blessed I am being around you guys. Yeah, well, thank you so much for it. I don't know, people are so good to me di kampus ini. That's why they mean so much to me. Anak-anak 01 tuh mean so much tuh karena they really good to me. Gue gak ngerti kenapa mereka tuh sangat amat baik sama gue dan sangat welcome gue gitu. And I don't know how to say thank you, except I'm just saying. Gue gak bisa ngedescribein seberapa terima kasih ya gue, kecuali gue ngomong makasih. They are so genuine. I know they are so good, so kind, in my opinion. Yeah, well, thank you so much for all the things that we've been through, for all the things that we shared, we do. Thank you so much, guys. And I hope in the next chapter of our life. We're gonna meet again. We're gonna work together. Nongkrong lagi. Kita bisa bicara-bicara lagi. Kita bisa nongkrong-nongkrong lagi di luar kampus. As always, that's my all wishes. Semoga kita nongkrong saling di luar kampus ya guys. And also, I hope kalian yang nonton ini bakal punya teman kelas or even circle yang sama dengan God bless me to have. And I hope you guys can be more happy with people around you. Masih ada lo orang yang genuine di dunia ini. Masih ada lo orang baik di dunia ini. So don't close yourself guys. Masih banyak kok orang yang bakal genuine, yang bakal tulus sama lo. Masih banyak loh orang yang sangat amat baik di dunia ini. Orang yang ngelihat lo sebagai manusia. Orang yang anggap lu sebagai manusia. Orang yang men-treat lu sebagai manusia. And I hope kalian bakal nemuin orang itu. Atau orang-orang tersebut. There are people like PH 601. There are people like PBO. And there are people like Miftah. And there are people like Afzal. I hope you guys find them. 01 bakal. See you soon guys. Love you guys.